Hello everyone. Today we are going to see e-invoice in Output Books. Step 1. Enabling and configuring e-invoice. Go to Settings, select Module. Enable e-invoice. Step 2. Entering API and ASP credentials. Here we have to configure the e-invoice. Enter API and ASP details. ASP details will be provided by Output Books. You can get API details from e-invoice portal. There exists an option to refer to support document. In e-invoice portal, follow these steps to get API username and password. Login into e-invoice portal. Select API registration. Create API user and user credential. Here you can create username and password. Step 3. Creating invoice. Create new invoice. Choose customer name. Select item name and save this invoice. Step 4. Pushing invoice to IRP. There is the option to create e-invoice. Click E symbol. We can choose Apply IRN in case you have applied directly in e-invoice portal, or select Post to IRP to create e-invoice. When e-invoice is generated, color of the E symbol will turn to green. In print settings, there is an option to display e-invoice details in invoice print. Here we can change the QR code size. Now IRN number and acknowledgement number will be displayed in invoice. In print, we are displaying QR code. Canceling e-invoice. We can cancel the e-invoice from e-invoice portal and Output Books. Select Cancel option from e-invoice portal. There is an option to select acknowledgement number or IRN number. We can select and enter the details. Now the e-invoice will be cancelled. Now we can cancel the e-invoice from Output Books. Select the e-invoice symbol. Choose Cancel e-invoice. We have to select the reason and enter the remark. After saving, e-invoice will be cancelled. Thank you.